Our third law is called the zero law, and it states that if x raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So to better understand this, if we have x raised to the power of 1 divided by x raised to the power of 1, this is equal to x raised to the power of 1 over x raised to the power of 1, and this is equal to 1. So this can also be further simplified to this: x raised to the power of 1 over x raised to the power of 1 is equal to x raised to the power of 1 minus 1, and this is equal to x raised to the power of 0. So this implies that x raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So let's solve some example on this. We have 10 raised to the power of 0. We have 1 million raised to the power of 0. So 10 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 1 million raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So for this law, it implies that any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Let's move on. The fourth law is the inverse law, and it states that if x raised to the power of negative 1 is equal to 1 over x. So let's have some examples here. If we have 5 raised to the power of negative 2, we have 10 raised to the power of negative 7. Let's solve this. So we have 5 raised to the power of negative 2 is the same as 1 over 5 raised to the power of 2. So you can leave your answer like this, or 1 over 25. We have 10 raised to the power of negative 7. This is equal to 1 over 10 raised to the power of 7, or 1 over 100 million. Now let's move on. So further explanations. The laws should be used precisely as they are stated. Do not be tempted to make up variations of your own. So these laws are very important, and they should be used precisely as they are stated. Do not change or make up your own variations. Hint: in indices, knowing all its laws can help you comfortably solve any question. So knowing these laws will help you in solving any question on indices. Lastly, what we did for today was that I introduced the laws of indices to you, solve examples for each law, and I gave you a hint on the laws of indices. Thank you for watching this video. We see you next time.